Today, we are going to talk about the interest rate hikes that we've seen over the past 6 months and how it's going to affect all the different types of asset classes. So we're outside my triplex that I bought in Issaquah, Washington, where I paid $1.325 million for. With 25% down, that gave me about a loan of about $950,000. When I first originally got in contract on this, I was doing a 1031 exchange and my rate was 4.25%. My monthly payment was going to be around $6,400 a month. By the time I purchased the property and then went to refinance it after it was fully stabilized and the 1031 exchange was complete, now my rate is 6.5%. That is a net loss of me of $1,800 a month off my pro forma that I wasn't expecting. So you need to make sure as you're looking at your next deals, are you buying on the now? You don't want to get stung with a 6.5% rate when you were anticipating a 4.5%. It has a huge impact on your bottom line.
Raindrop, drop top,